It is. Take the fucking mic.
Are you recording?
Well, we might as well get some footage.
Oh yeah.
Or really gonna bounce and get the fucking mic in there. I don't. If you're bouncing that hard, I don't think you should be doing whatever it is you're doing. A while.
Welcome back, everybody.
Yeah, there we go.
It's teardown day.
Yeah, welcome back. We got this day on Tuesday.
Yes.
We got 2 days till we have to rip baits out. I don't know my availability or Tanner's in the next couple days. So we had time this afternoon. I don't know if I was pointing that at myself. So we have time this afternoon to rip them out. So we're going to go rip them out. I haven't checked in 3 weeks. Our archery mule deer season kind of, well, let's just say I ended up with no hunting license coming out of that. So I can't hunt the whitetail this year. Tanner can. So we've kind of been lacking on the maintaining.
Also, side note,
Baits.
we burnt out some deer, we think, because we had deer and they were good deer, and then all of a sudden there was none, and then there was just a couple does and some birds and then raccoons. So we don't know what's going on, so we're gonna just rip it out. We'll get back on top of it next year, and we'll just keep on learning stuff. And maybe next year we'll arrow a couple whitetails at the blind.
So yeah, we're gonna drive to our bait. This is the tripod stand. 90% sure the tripod fell over. Fresh snow here last week or two here. We got some snow, been cold, ground's frozen. Which is also on a positive note. Hopefully you can see the coyote tracks down there. And some deer tracks over there. So pretty soon here, we're gonna start getting the coyote videos up. We will be back with you going to the bait, or when we get to the bait. The tripod bait. Lots of track coming in here. We're gonna inspect it a little bit better on the way out. Might give you guys a couple little pictures or little shots as we look at it. But we're gonna make a quick little walk around here with it. I guess I don't need the truck running.
No.
I don't need the truck running. So there's the blind over there, and camera 2's over there in the bush somewhere.
It's on the post right
It's on
there.
the post. Let's go take a quick gander.
Oh, there's track. Shrews.
Whew. There's a kite trail right there.
And there is.
Still has power. And
How many?
just shy of 3,000 photos. 2,952. What we were talking about before with these nice big trails. We got coyotes right here on the trail. Guessing? I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I think it's coyote. Then we got these here. That is not us. I'm not sure what that is. Like, it's almost human in size.
That's the one I was talking
So,
about.
that looks like somebody could have walked through here, in all honesty. Then we got this guy here. Which goes right down into that bush. So, hopefully, we'll see some activity. And then, I don't know how good you guys can see over there, but there is a trail of network of 3 different ones coming together. Tanner's just over there going for a gander. I don't know if you can even see him. Can you see him? Yeah, you can kind of see him right there.
Boy.
What?
That's dog track.
That's a dog track?
That dog's running full out.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. So apparently that's a coyote trail right there.
There's no wasps.
No wasps. So yeah.
That loaded deer track.
There is vehicle trail. That's not us. Big day old. Oh, there Oh, there's three.
There's a buck.
There's a buck. Little, nothing big by any means in the rear there.
Nothing to write home about, but it's
No.
it's a buck.
It's a buck. Bar baits. So nothing's ever came into this bait. No mules. They walk past it all the time. But yeah, we're gonna gander on it. And the cameraman is. Holy crap! It's got power.
How many pictures does it got?
0.
Of course.
This is the camera we're having issues with.
Where's
Well, both cameras screwed up with this bait. Well guys, we're back here in the garage, and we plan, I guess, what? Hold on.
Gotta get the punch in here.
The dog wants in. It's Sadie. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, there's people. But back to, we were next week here, coming up in a couple days. Deer season opens up. Rifle, whitetail.
Yep.
I have no tag. I don't have a license.
I
Little
do.
incident during bow season. Tanner does. So we're gonna go with him, Zach, and a couple other guys. Don't know the exact plans yet. We're kind of a fly-by-night, figure it out as we go, generally.
General hunting meeting is Thursday.
Yeah, our hunting meeting is the day before, which
Always.
that arm's getting tired. Because, you know, can't be that organized, right? So,
Where's the fun?
just throwing this video out there to let you guys know. Oh, and next weekend I will be going to the Prairie Precision Steel
Ranch.
farm. He doesn't like ranch. He doesn't have cows.
Oh,
He's a farm. The Prairie Precision Steel farm. And me and him plan on doing a lot of coyote hunting and maybe some long range shooting while I'm there. So hopefully the next couple weeks, months here, we get a bunch more videos out to you guys of hunting. And then right after that, shortly after Christmas, hopefully the ice is frozen enough, we can get the shack out and get some ice fishing going.
you're hoping for that late? I was hoping for beginning of December.
Well, to get the shack out, we'll start fishing it right away here, like next couple weeks, month, if it stays cold.
Well, I should have been fishing a couple weeks ago.
But either way,
Yeah.
we'll try to get some fishing videos out to you guys here soon too. But priorities, deer season,
Yep.
and some coyote hunting. So hey, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and that little bell thing that should be down here or over. I don't know.
It's on one of the sides.
It's one of the sides. I don't know which one though. Don't forget to hit that if you want to see our next video. And hey, stay avid. With a 15-minute update, Tanner's crouched over there and staring around like a fucking 2-year-old kid with ants in his fucking pants.